Alam nyo guys, na mas gusto ko na legit yung mga loan platforms na pinag-uusapan natin dito, approve man ako o hindi. I'm going to try my best to be fair, kahit na minsan, na-hurt din ako. Pag-usapan natin to si Atome. Paano umutang kay Atome? Kasi may dalawa po siyang products ngayon na ino-offer. Yung si Atome Card at si Atome Cash. What's so special about this? Ano ba talaga yung kailangan nito para ma-approve? Kung gusto nyo makilala yung mga products niya guys, then keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, yung original na utang queen. And kahit na minsan lulungkot na ako dito kay Atome guys, kasi ba't parang may galit to sa akin? Di ako ma-approve. O, ayan, sneak peek na. Pero kailangan natin siya pag-usapan dahil legit na legit po siya. And before tayo mapunta dun sa mga loan products niya, ano ba si Atome? Kasi alangan naman tayo basta na lang umutang without knowing kung sino yung nagpapautang sa atin. Atome PH is a AI-driven company na may headquarters po sa Singapore. And yung company naman dito sa atin, yung company that's running or that's behind Atome, which is Neuron Credit Financing PH, it's registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Nagsasubmit din or submitting entity sa CIC. So legit na legit siya guys. We really must try our best na ma-approve tayo sa ganitong mga loan apps. Yun, legit na legit po si Atome. In the end of this video, I'm just gonna share my thoughts and my theories or conclusion. I can only conclude as to why hindi ako ma-approve dito, and hopefully, meron kayong matutunang valuable lesson dito. Ano ba yung mga products nitong si Atome PH? Yung app pala is na-download both sa Google Play Store and sa iOS. Dalawa po, meron siyang Atome Card and Atome Cash. So, ito naman si Card, it's a card na works sa lahat ng mga merchants where there's a card terminal. And para talaga siyang credit card, but you have full control over it through their app. Ilang beses na ako mag-try dito and reject pa rin ako. And I don't really understand kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan nito. But let me show you the process of applying for this product. It's just like any other loan app na hihingi po ng mga basic information. So, i-download mo kasi yung app and then you're going to register and yun, may account ka na. The question is, magiging eligible ka ba sa mga products nito? Because I think na in order for you to qualify for this Atome Cash na utang platform or utang product nila, dapat establish na yung record mo bali sa kanila, and that is by having an Atome Card. Please correct me if I'm wrong. One, pwede kang mag-pay in 3 or 6 months or pay later anywhere. So, anywhere na pwede kang makapag-swipe. Technically, or ideally, pwede dapat doon gamitin si Atome Card. But I don't know, kasi may iba na nagsasabi do not honor daw siya. But sabi ng friend ko, mukhang okay naman daw siya. At kung gusto mo siyang gawing installment, you can convert it in the app, ha. You can enjoy 0 interest when you pay your bills before the due date. O, parang magandang deal yan, ha. The no annual fee. That's another thing positive about this product. So, you can get a spending limit up to 200,000 pesos. Malaki na rin yan, ha? Flexible payments, pwedeng 3 months or 6 months. Atome started here as a buy now, pay later. Parang nawala na yata yung buy now, pay later feature niya. And ngayon, naging card na siya. So, ganon. It makes it sound so simple na mag-apply because sabi niya, submit your application via the Atome app and use your virtual card to shop online once the application is approved. Kailan kaya ito mangyayari sa akin? And then get started instantly with a free physical card to be delivered to your doorstep. Neuron Credit Financing is a submitting entity dun sa CIC, which means that if you have been a good card holder, then nakakatulong po yung record na to sa credit history mo so that eventually, pag nag-a-apply kayo sa ibang mga lending institutions is madali rin kayong ma-approve or mataas din yung chance na ma-approve kayo. So that's it. So dapat pakabait kayo dito. Use your Atome Card to pay online and in-store anywhere. So anywhere na pwedeng i-swipe. Alam nyo, pag hindi kayo na-approve, okay, you have 3 months. Makakapag-try again ka after 3 months. So I just can't count the number of times na nag-try ako dito. So, subukan nyo guys kasi baka pwede sa inyo to. Anyway, may 3 kang design ng card na pwedeng pilian. At nasa inyo po yan. And pick that thing in the middle kung gusto nyo may physical card na i-deliver sa inyo. You have to agree to the Atomic Card Membership Agreement and Loan Agreement. And of course, kung bago kayo mag-agree dyan, i-click nyo lang yung link at magdi-display po yung agreement. So, kailangan binabasa natin yan. After you've chosen your card, then hihingi po siya ng valid ID. Na kung gusto nyo palitan yung ID na sinabit nyo dati, hoping na yung bago nyong ID is yung makakapag-approve sa inyo, then you can click that to change your ID. Yung mga acceptable ID types, yun po, ito po. Ayan. Okay. So, hindi ko na sasabihin na. Kasama dyan yung national ID. Hindi ako na-approve sa national ID. Hindi rin ako na-approve sa driver's license. Iko-complete mo yung information na hinihingi niya, including your name, your date of birth, your address, other personal information like mother's maiden name, and your email address. Just make sure na accurate po and truthful yung binibigay mong information to improve your chances of getting approved. So, I gave it all my best, guys, pero hindi rin ako approved, and I can only share my conclusion and my theory kung bakit hindi. Anyway, so pagkatapos mo ibigay yung work information mo, and then yung monthly income, and then yung kung kailangan na si sweldo, then just click next, and pupunta ka dun sa part na yung mga additional questions niya, kung anong name yung gusto mo mag-appear sa card. I-click mo yung next, papakonfirm niya sa'yo kung tama ba yung entries mo, magsa-selfie ka. Parang pagod na yung itsura ng atin yun nung nag-selfie, kasi parang feeling ko hindi na ako ma-approve dito. And then, ayun, 3 days po under review yung card, only to find out na try again po ako sa January. Nakakasad, Tommy Cash, which ito naman yung cash loan nila. It's the same, guys. Wala talaga akong luck dito. But for the information of everyone, what is Atomic Cash? This is a loan facility that lets you borrow money up to 50,000 pesos. Cash naman to, hindi to pa swipe-swipe. 100% online application daw with instant response. Kaya instant ko rin nalaman na hindi ito para sa akin. Napaka-sad talaga. Low interest rate starting from 1% per month. So, kung sino dyan yung may mga experience dito, please comment below. Flexible repayment options up to 12 months. But of course, anything depende pa rin yun kasi sa system nila kung ma-approve ka, kung magkano yung interest ibibigay sa'yo. Pero because it depends on every user. But I'm just sure, dahil legit sila, hindi po ito susobra ng 15%, tulad ng mga ola-ola dyan. Anyway, so open your cash loan account for free. Sabi, you can open your cash loan account for free, but the question is, ma-approve ka ba? And then enter the amount that you need. But wag kayo masyadong mag-expect na example, pag nag-apply kayo 25 din makukuha nyo. Because guys, it depends on the system evaluation. Ganun naman talaga sila palagi. Receive the loan with your selected bank account. So, dapat diretso sa bank account and pay your bills on time. Instant ko rin nalaman na hindi ako pwede sa loan app na to. Currently, we cannot offer you the service due to eligibility criteria. Ano ba yung kailangan nila? I went to their website and ito po yung ganito siya. Ultra low monthly interest, o dito sabi 1.75 daw, which is fair, okay. I also think na baka depende kasi yan sa risk assessment din nila sa inyo. Baka malay mo, mas mataas yung interest niya, effective interest na ibibigay niya sa'yo. Depende kasi yan from one user to another. Again, I'm just making conclusions here. Rest assured, dahil legit siya guys, hindi to susobra ng 15%. Yung mga ola dyan na pa 7 days lang. So, ang dali lang po talaga magkaroon ng account with Atome. So complicated na ma-approve dito sa utang products niya. So, who is eligible? Registered Atome users with past in-app transactions. Kaya pala hindi ako ma-approve dito sa Atomic Cash na to kasi kahit na yung credit card nila, hindi rin ako na-approve. Wala akong past in-app transactions. At least 18 years old with a valid PH ID and has a bank account. Yun ang tanungin kung paano kung walang bank account? Kasi requirement po talaga niya na dapat may bank account ka. Why did my cash loan application fail? Your submission may fail due to inaccuracy of your personal information. I disagree. Or you may have skipped some required steps or date. I disagree then. A successful application is also dependent on a list of criteria. Can I resubmit after being rejected? Well, yes. Try ka ng try. Good luck sa'yo. I'm going to share this for the benefit na maintindihan nyo rin I hope meron kayong matutunang lesson dito. And I think, I don't know if it's related with the atomic credit dati. So, siguro na-detect ni system na dati ako may atomic credit and that I said some negative things about it. Kaya, ayan. Or at the same time, guys, I recently checked my credit score. And according to TransUnion, my credit score is 700 something. Hindi ko na ibibigay yung exact amount, which is basically okay na rin sana. Pero, may remark po na medium risk ako. So baka sa system ni Atome, hindi pwede sa kanila yung medium risk. And bakit ako naging medium risk? Maybe because of my previous mga records, like naging delinquent ako sa Kaitala at saka yung One Hand, lumabas po yan sa credit history ko, and a previous credit card history na hindi rin positive. And I also have loans right now, like ibang loans na can also be one of the, things na binabasihan ni system para ma-evaluate kung i-approve ka niya o hindi. So, ayun, sabi ko nga, I'm just like anyone else, parehas lang tayo. Or maybe because hindi lang talaga perfect yung system nila. Atome, sana naman. But, well, guys, hindi naman ako bitter. Ganun talaga yung buhay. But if you really have very good history, credit history, then it increases your chances of getting approved. You just need to understand yung credit history nyo, and that is by regularly checking your credit score or getting a credit report. Of course, may bayad po yan. And the easiest way to do that is through the Lista app. Yun na maiintindihan ko bakit hindi kayo ma-approve, bakit kayo reject. Kasi at least naman, meron kayong idea, di ba? Ito talaga, baka ayaw lang ni Atome sa akin. And that's why I have this channel, guys, because dito we talk about different options. Na kung ayaw ng ganitong facility or ganitong lending company sa atin, meron naman tayong iba dyan. Kaya if I were you, dapat subscribe kayo dito sa channel because I talk about loan apps. And dapat subscribe kayo kasi pag nag-topic ako ng mga legit na mga loan apps, hindi kayo makuli. Or you can also check this playlist, yung mga legit na mga loan platforms. Basta, ang dami yung matututo ng mga topics about utang dito, guys. I really hope, good luck po sa inyo kung ma-approve kayo because ako hindi. So, that's all for today. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!